Alright, well, that seems to go on there a lot better. So the inner one, they don't tell you to grease it, but you gotta grease it to get it all the way in there. There we go. Alright, that's on there. So now you guys know that the inner one, that goes in there pretty tight, so it has to be greased. That's all set now. Alright, so next thing. And since everything, look at the wind came by and it blew everything all over the damn yard because it's super windy, and now I gotta try and find my filter. It's somewhere out there. I'll be right back. Yay, I found it. Alright, so we're going to replace this guy here and put this new one on. Raise you up here a little bit. Can't believe how windy it is here. This is crazy. That just clips right down into there. That other one was actually smaller. That's the one there. That was a littler one. I like the little one because it's see-through, whereas this one you really can't tell, you know, if you got a bunch of junk in it or not. But I'm gonna mark it. I gotta find the hours on the machine, and I'm gonna mark the oil filter as well. That way I know when I did it. Let's see what we got for hours. 2429. So I'll just call that 2430. And today is April 3rd, 19. And then 2430. I'll write it back here too, that way I got it. Just in case it comes off. 2430. What do we got here? We got some, looks like some diesel dripping out of there. Or is it just falling up? I'm gonna make that a little bit tighter. This one too if I can. 4, 3. Yeah, it's getting some of the diesel fuel on it, that's why it's not. 19. All right. And the air filter and stuff. Let's see if I can put it here. 2430. 4, 3, 19. Gotta get a white Sharpie. Alright, so I don't think we got any leaks there or anything. Let me go ahead and fire her up. Hopefully I don't have to bleed the system out because I changed out the fuel filter. Sometimes you gotta do that with diesels. But the manual said that you didn't need to do that with this when you change that out. But we're about to find out, because if it doesn't start, then that'll be a whole process. I'll have to take this plug off, start it, drain fluid, or get the fluid going through it, and then open up this end, get the fluid going through there, and so on and so forth until it actually will start running. But oil cap's on, filter's on, that's secure, everything's there. Let's fire her up. Fuel leaking. I'm gonna have to fix that hose. Yeah, it's leaking over here. What I'll do, I'll cut that back, put that hose back, and that should work. Actually, I'm gonna try and tighten it up a little bit more, maybe. And it is pretty tight on there, but there's obviously fuel leaking from it. Actually, let me try that. Oh, that seemed to work. Yeah, just gotta tighten it up a little bit more. It just has plastic, so you gotta be careful because those little nipples there, they'll break right off. Alright, so that's how you do an oil change on a Terex hr16. Pretty similar in all excavators. Inner and outer air filter. Now, as you've seen, you got to lube them up sometimes. You saw how I snapped off the one connector there. And then got the new fuel filter on and marked them, and we should be good to go. The next video is probably going to be doing the final drives, changing out the oil on them. So that'll be another video. All right, take care, guys.